Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my cheesy sausage and onion potatoes. So let's get into it. It was so delicious and easy to make. So these are my ingredients right here. You're going to need butter, sausage. I'm using red skin potatoes, but you can pretty much use any potato. I'm also going to use a large red bell pepper, a large onion, and more than a few cloves of garlic. You can add as much garlic as you want. So in this big old skillet, I'm going to melt a half a stick of butter, and then I'm going to add my red skin potatoes right down in here. Once you put them in here and spread them out, don't even bother them. Leave them right there. I'm going to season this up with my Spicy Girl. You could cop that from my website. The link will be below. And you want to season this with Spicy Girl salt and pepper, just like how I'm doing here. Next, you're going to spread the onions and garlic right over the top, just like this. You know, just spread it over there, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes to get the potatoes going and nice and caramelized on one side. So that's why I didn't touch it. I let the onions get nice and juicy all over the potatoes, and it just, look at all that color. It's so pretty. It smells amazing. And now it just looks great. So it got a head start, a good head start, before we add the sausage and the peppers. But like I said, guys, this is just the easy, simple lunch recipe that I wanted to make today. So I just pulled out my cell phone and whipped it up. So now I'm just going to add my sausages and my peppers. I did just season it to taste with some smoked paprika. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. So after another 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. It's, y'all, I wish I could explain how tender, delicious, and flavorful this easy, super simple recipe was. So then I decided to take it over the top and add some cheese. And I'm gonna cover it again for another 5 minutes, and then that's pretty much it. And look at this, you guys. It's so pretty. You didn't need an oven to get the same effect. And I'm gonna plate it up and let you guys see what it looks like. Alright, so this is my plate right here. Look at the onions nice and caramelized around the sausage. Oh my god, you guys, it was so good, and I tore it up. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to cop my products at mishascorner.com. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all.